The ARA San Juan was on its way back from a routine expedition at the southern tip of South America when it reported technical difficulties. It first reported a short circuit caused by water that had leaked through the submarine snorkel and dripped on the batteries at the nose of the ship. Shortly after, officials lost contact with the submarine. Argentine newspaper La Nacion says a special investigation commission put together by the Argentinian Ministry of Defense reported that a second explosion may have occurred, triggering issues in the control systems, which then led to the vessel sinking and imploding due to high underwater pressure. The wreckage was found by Ocean Infinity, a seabed exploration company hired by Argentinian officials. The wreckage was in a ravine roughly 900 meters below surface. It was carrying 44 crew members.